I understood the importance of talking to the baby in the womb. A few of them had asked me to talk to the baby in the womb, but I did not know what exactly to talk. But now I know the importance. Uh, I know how important it is to talk to the baby in the womb after yesterday's class.
I was so thrilled to know that we can communicate with 99% with our unborn child during our pregnancy. So, knowing about this, I was so excited and I started implementing, and I feel so good about it, and I feel already connected to my child. Thank you so much, Acharya, for letting us know about this.
I attended the session on Garbh Samvad yesterday, and it was very enlightening for me as I got to know how can I shape my unborn baby by talking to the baby.
I always had a notion that you can talk to your baby once it starts understanding, once it starts responding via kicking or moving. But I was glad to know that you can talk to your baby from the day you conceive itself. So after the session till now, till evening, in these 5 to 6 hours, I have started talking to my baby, and I can say I feel more attached. I do get more motherly feeling, which feels very nice.
You taught us with all the aspects that why to do Garbh Samvad, what to do in that, how to do, when we can do, where we can do. So now it is easy for us to do this Garbh Samvad, and also you taught us that Garbh Samvad is not only has to done by parents but also parents parent, that is the grandparents of that kid, also to be done this Garbh Samvad. And you taught us the easy method by how we can do the Garbh Samvad with our kid. It makes us attached to the kids.